Now in this lecture we are going to have some sample programs about list control.
This video is brought to you by Appy Pie Academy.
Okay, so I have already created a project called my list, and I have created a Python program also called list1.py. Py. It's an empty program. So roll underscore numbers is going to be the name of my list. Then within square brackets I am writing 101, 202, 303, 404 and 505. So these are 101, 202, 303, 404 and 505. These are the elements, or we can say items, of my list roll underscore numbers. So above is the list with the name roll numbers. Okay, so the point to be noted is value at roll underscore numbers in square brackets I would write 0 is 101. So the index starts from 0 like strings. So value at roll numbers within square brackets 1 is 202 and so on. So always remember index starts from 0. Now I am going to use print, then name of my list roll underscore numbers, and within square brackets I am going to write 0. Then I am going to write print roll underscore numbers, within square brackets I am going to write 1. So as I have explained, roll underscore number 0 will print the first element 101 and roll underscore numbers 1 will print the second element 202. So similarly, if I happen to write roll underscore numbers 2, it's very clear that third element, which is 303, that will be printed. Why third? Because index starts from 0. So now in order to see the output, I am going to execute the program. So I am going to run the program and you can see the output. Yes, it's 101, 202 and 303. The first three elements are getting printed.